After ultrasonic inspection, the ingot moves to optical metrology. Laser scanners
Flatness deviation is within tolerance. Confirmed. Good.
The alloy is approved for the Tu-95 line.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Looks precise, confirming the zero wastage matrix.
The final components for Process A, titanium blade blanks and nickel steel gearbox billets, enter a secure...
Check the application matrix on zone 3.
Looks consistent. The atomization is perfect.
The solvent is agitated by high-frequency sound waves, meticulously removing all microscopic contaminants and metal dust from the intricate surfaces.
The tolerances look good here.
Yes, but we need to ensure the hydraulic channels are spotless before assembly.
The internal splines are cut with extreme precision, necessary for attaching the blades securely to the propeller hub.
High-load roller bearings are heated and precision-fitted into the gearbox housing by a robotic press, achieving a... As the gear rotates slowly, the perfect reflection demonstrates an exceptional surface finish. This meticulous... A specialized high-load lubricant is meticulously applied to the blade root splines, ensuring smooth articulation for the pitch control system.
Check the torque on the lower coupling.
It's within tolerance. The pitch looks good.
Pressure looks stable across all bearing surfaces.
Confirmed. No leaks detected in the main actuators.
The final, heavy-duty cover plate, made of durable nickel steel, is lowered into place by a hoist, sealing the intricate internal gears.
The massive propeller and gearbox unit is carefully integrated, concluding Process A. This signifies completion.
As the fuselage is riveted, specialized workers install the complex electrical wiring harnesses. These
This design minimizes vibration and magnetic interference.
So the MAD sensor gets clean data on patrol.
Sealant point 7 confirmed. Checked. Moving to the next section.
Alignment check. Spars engaging.
Hold steady on the starboard jack.
Roger that. Maintaining pressure.
The robust landing gear struts are meticulously integrated into the airframe, a critical step ensuring the Tu-95.
I'm seeing an imperfection near the access panel here.
Mark that for review. Ensure the seal is confirmed on the next pass.
Process B initiated. Flaps deploying to maximum. Hydraulics nominal.
This is Process B, the engine installation stage. the 4 colossal NK-12 turboprop engines. The final sensor cover closure, known as Process B, secures the maritime surveillance equipment.
Confirming target track on scope.
Adjusting radar gain now. Switch is up and locked. Contact Magnetic Anomaly confirmed at 049er. Bearing 270, urgent.
Check the seam right here, near the nacelle.
Yeah,
Looks solid.
Confirmed. Adding that to the log.
Good catch.